Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I am back with a new topic of a Zenmap tool, a Windows based tool, a free vulnerability scanner for your network. So let's move towards the installation. I am going to guide you how you can install that tool in your Windows operating system. You simply have to type Zenmap in your browser and click on this first URL that will be pop up. So I am going to introduce you a little bit about this Zenmap. Before this Zenmap, Nmap is a CLI based vulnerability scanner. So they have upgraded the tool and now we have the GUI based Zenmap. Zenmap is the official Nmap Security Scanner GUI. It is a multi-platform. We are we we are able to install it on the Linux, on the Windows, on Mac OS and BSD, etc. Free and open source. As I have told you, which aims to make Nmap easy for beginner to use while providing advanced feature for experienced Nmap user. If you have ever used the Nmap, you guys will be familiar with this Zenmap as well. Frequently users used scans can be saved as profile to make them easy to run repeatedly. The CLI always be critical, a bit difficult. The GUI is always user friendly and easy to use. We can save our reports of the scans we have done, and we can run that scans again and again easily. A command creator allows interactive creation of nmap commands line. This is because the nmap was CLI based. Now the zenmap is the GUI based. Scan results can be saved and view later. Saved scan result can be compared with one another to see how they differ. The Zenmap GUI based tool enable us to save these scans and compare these scans with each other after the time being interval. Mean to say, we can create the history of our scanning logs using this Zenmap, which is free and open source. The results of recent scans are stored in the searchable database. So these are some shots from the Zenmap GUI. You can create a new scan, a command wizard, you can save your scan, you can open previous scan, and many more. These are the results. Host detail, you can be able to see open ports at your host. And map output, host detail, a host is up or not, how many open ports it have, filter ports, close ports, scan ports, uptime, last boot, when happen. Zenmap enable you to have many more information than scanning. Then we can create custom commands for our scanning purpose, and these are the services which you can see is open or not on your host you have scanned. So I am going to download this tool for my Windows based installation. Let's check where we have the setup. Okay, I am going to click on this nmap download page, and from here you have to select your operating system. I am running Windows operating system. Last stable release self installer is this. You have to click on this file. The exe will be start to download. It will take about 5 minutes. Let's wait until this download process gets completed. If you want to install any of the version regarding your operating system, you just have to select from here, or you can scroll down to download the setup for the Zenmap, either Macintosh or Linux operating system. The setup has been downloaded. I have to click on this to open. The installation setup will be pop up. You have to click on this I agree button. Now next you have to click on next button, and the destination folder, if you want to change. I am not going to change, I'm going to be with the default one. Another pop-up that will be for the license agreement. I am going to click I agree and click on this install button. The installation process will be going to be completed soon. And these are the logs if you want to see what happened next, and click on this finish button. No, I am not going to create the desktop icon. Let's check we have installation done successfully or not. This is how you can install the Zenmap in your Windows operating system. You can create open new window, open previous scan. You if you want to save the scan. Now the question is how you can scan, or how you can start the scan for using Zenmap. I have randomly entered an IP and click on this scan button. The scan process has just been started and will be completed because I don't have any machine or any server with this IP. And you can select the type of scan from here. You want to scan ping scan, quick scan plus, and many more. This is how you can install the Zenmap on your Windows operating system, and how you can start scan using this free and open source vulnerability scanner for your network environment. Hope you guys understood the installation scenario. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.